Do you need to remove the battery on your Latitude 5520? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe and/or your fingers to pry apart the bottom base cover. Then disconnect the battery. Now to remove the 3-cell battery, just unscrew and remove it. And if you have the 4-cell battery, there's one additional screw that you will take out before you remove it, the reassembly. Now the reassembly is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.